Let me show you how to extract single pages from PDFs when you need to turn in answers on a page, how to edit the PDF, and things like that. So we'll start with PDF Project 2, which you perhaps haven't come to yet. But at the last bit of this document, there's a page that you're supposed to, after you've written a particular program, run the program in a certain way and fill in this table in times. I'd like to show you how to do that and then how to extract just this page so you can turn it in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come to Office and Xournal++, and instead of opening the PDF, we're going to click on Annotate PDF and choose Project 2. Okay. Now, when Xournal starts up, it's in sort of a best fit mode, which means that you can't really move around by the mouse and scrolling, so we can't see the whole screen, and we'd like to be able to do that. So the solution is one solution is to zoom out or zoom in. Let's see if we can zoom out. Then we can use the mouse to scroll, and also the menu bar will allow us, I think, to move up and down, okay? So let's say that you want to now edit this document. Well, if it's like, if the selection is the highlighter or the eraser or the pen, go and select on text, because then, say the answer was 5 seconds, and the user space time was 1 second, and the total time was 5 seconds, and this was 4 seconds. Okay, now let's say the size of the file was 200. Well, this is just made up stuff. And since we're going to extract this page, what you want to do is put your first name, say last initial, on the page, and then if you save this now, you'll be saving it in Xournal format, and you can certainly do that. What we'd like to do is export it as a PDF. When you export it, there's a danger that this file has the same name as the original, and it'll warn you about that. But let's change the name to annotate it, okay? So it doesn't try to overwrite the original. Okay, so there's the annotated form. Now we don't need Xournal for anything else, so we can, right now, so we can close that. And if we look at this PDF, it's a full PDF with this last page with some data filled in and your name at the top. Well, so we don't want to just look at it, we want to extract the last page. The way to do that is right-click on that document, and instead of opening it with a documenter, open it with pdfarranger. This isn't a viewer, but it gives you a sort of a thumbnail sketch of each page. So we'll select the last page up here and export selection, and then we can, this is a page with time, say, so we can save that, okay? And now we don't need pdfarranger anymore, but we look at this one file here, and we have just a PDF with a single file. You have a single file with your name at the top and your data filled in, okay? And then this is what you will then turn in on your work thread in Piazza, and that's it.